Curious your thoughts on this. So let me see if I can remember. No man should pursue an intimate relationship with a woman until he has mastered the ability to transcend his own innate physical desires. And it's like, don't go to try to sleep with women if you can't control your porn addiction. Like, don't go sleep with women if that's the only goal and objective. So yeah,
I
just
love
kind of
that. I love that. What people don't like about that is you're speaking to either someone with porn addiction, or you're speaking to somebody who is just maybe just addicted with sex,
yeah.
to tell them that.
I struggled with both, so I know what it
and,
is.
and I think, what guy hasn't at some point, right? I just think it so. But yeah, if you want to maximize your masculinity, the process becomes, how do I have control over my sexual desires? When a woman feels when a woman feels that you want her, but you don't need her, and we've talked about this, when she feels that though, her sexual attraction goes up. So this is what's funny, is what you're telling people is actually a way to increase sexual attraction with a female. And that's where people, I think, it's hard to see outside that box, right? But when she feels that you just want her, or you can wait, like, I've had times in my relationship where, we both wanted to, but circumstantially it didn't work, and been the one to step up and say, you know what, we can't right now, we've got too much going on, and that. And man, did she want to rip my clothes off because I put a halt to it. And I was like, well, we got to wait till another time. That's just a testament to the fact that they want you to be able to say no. They want you to be able to be in control of that part of your anatomy, and that second brain. When you have that control, you're creating more attraction. It just makes the sex that much better. And I think instead of going after quantity, we're going after quality here. You've got to focus on that. You know,
Speak to that a little bit though, because I think we're getting on something really important here, right? Like, there's a difference between attracting a woman and attracting a girl, right? Like, and that has nothing to do with the age of the individual. So talk to that if you can, a little bit.
yeah. So, and this is what's so hard with the masculine feminine, because there's a lot of broken people and a
All
lot
of
of
us.
women. Yeah, all of us. And we learn to cope through life by putting on different roles. And so a lot of women can put on a more masculine role out of protection for themselves, and rightfully so. But the problem is, it can create some issues within the relationship, where if you're showing up as your masculine, her masculinity, it's like your job is to help her heal and kind of like pull away that masculine mask, and fall into her feminine. That's where you start to find this higher quality woman. But if you're chasing after quantity, or if you're chasing after let's say you're getting the coaching where you're just learning to pick up women at the bar, you're going to find a woman that probably uses masculinity in quite a lot of ways that's going to screw with you. If you go a different route and you become the high masculine man, and you look for a woman wherever that might be, but you meet the right woman, she's most likely going to be in her feminine state, because you're already exuding that masculine
Mm.
attraction. If that kind of makes sense.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, what we're really, speaking to here is, I mean, there's an element of delaying some gratification, right? So,
Yes.